My African vacation. I landed in Cape Town International Airport. It is located at the bottom of South Africa on the west side. The hotel I stayed at is called Table Bay and was named after Table Mountain. The next morning, I went to the Castle of Good Hope and learned that it was the oldest surviving building in South Africa. Next, I went to Camps Bay, which is famous for its beautiful beaches and extraordinary scenery. I took the aerial cable up to Table Mountain, which is the mountain in the background. The aerial cable leads up to the flat platform on top of the mountain. I left my group and went to Crea National Park and saw many African animals. Next, I visited the Kalahari Desert. While visiting the Kalahari Transfrontier Park, I learned that the most desert animals don't need much water because of their diets. The dromedary camel is the most common camel and only has one hump. Jerboa is a rodent animal in the desert. The Komodo dragon can be deadly and is under the monitor lizard classification. The fennec fox is nocturnal and does its hunting in the night. The cabosus is one of the most famous creatures in the armadillo family. I went to Chobe National Park next to go on a safari. The lion, the rhinoceros, the buffalo, the ostriches, the crocodiles, and the giraffe are all very famous animals. When I went to Victoria Falls, I went bungee jumping and swam under the waterfall. I traveled north from Victoria Falls to Uganda to see Kibale Forest National Park. I saw a lot of wildlife in the humongous rainforest. I saw many chimpanzees, baboons, different kinds of butterflies, and different colored birds. When I wanted to see some urban African life, I headed into Nairobi, Kenya. I noticed that Nairobi had a mix of wealth and poverty in it. Even though I knew it was a foolish idea, I headed into Mogadishu, Somalia. Although we saw many danger signs, there were few attractions. One attraction was the Tomb of Unknown Soldiers. I took a trip to Gezira Beach for my other attraction. I traveled far west to get to Timbuktu, Mali, which was my next destination. I learned about the agriculture that is very famous in Mali. After learning about the agriculture, I went to visit the Djingwari Mosque, which is an ancient place of Islamic worship. My African vacation is completed, and here are all the stops I've made.